So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you a great deal which is available on Flipkart on Realme Day Sale. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. This is Realme X50 Pro. The regular price of this smartphone is 42,000, but on the Realme Day Sale it is just selling for 35,000. The specifications of Realme X50 Pro are Snapdragon 865, 64 megapixel rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 4200 mAh battery, 65 watt fast charging, 6.44 inches Super AMOLED Plus display, 5G support, Android 10. This is some more details about the front and rear camera of Realme X50 Pro. There are two showy variants of Realme X50 Pro, 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB. There are two color variants of Realme X50 Pro, green color and red color. This is the front side of Realme X50 Pro. This is the back side of Realme X50 Pro. Now let's talk about the pricing. The regular pricing of this smartphone is 41,999. Offer pricing is 34,999. We can get more 1,500 discount by Federal Bank, debit and credit card. Then the effective pricing will be only 33,499. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.